What if I told you that you could make this incredible dish in just about 10 minutes using only your air fryer? Today, we're doing exactly that, but with the special twist that makes this recipe absolutely unforgettable. Stay with me, because this is one you'll want to make again and again.
It all starts with beautiful, fresh ingredients. For this recipe, we'll need 250 grams of large, raw shrimp that are already peeled.
You can find the full list of ingredients with exact measurements down in the description box below. Let's begin by creating our flavor base. We're placing a knob of high-quality butter into our silicone dish and letting the air fryer do the work of melting it gently. To the melted butter, I'm adding a touch of extra virgin olive oil. This adds another layer of flavor and helps prevent the butter from browning too quickly. Next, the secret to an intense citrus aroma: lime zest. Here's the pro tip. When you're zesting any citrus, try to only get the colorful outer layer. The white part underneath, called the pith, can be quite bitter, and we don't want that in our sauce. I'm chopping the zest very finely to release all those fragrant essential oils. This bright, aromatic zest will infuse our entire sauce with a fresh, citrusy perfume. I'll juice half of that lime. The combination of both the juice and the zest gives us two different dimensions of lime flavor: the bright acidity from the juice and the deep aroma from the zest. Fresh lime juice adds that essential, bright acidity that cuts through the richness of the butter and makes seafood sing. I'll pour that beautiful fresh juice right into our butter, followed by all of that finely chopped zest. And of course, there's no garlic butter shrimp without garlic. I'm using 2 large cloves. A quick tip for easy peeling: just press down firmly on the clove with the flat side of your knife. The skin will crack and come right off. For the most intense flavor, we're using a garlic press to release all those amazing essential oils directly into our sauce. Don't be shy with the garlic. It's the heart of this dish. It's time for our shrimp to join the party. I'm adding them to the sauce and giving everything a thorough mix. We want to make sure every single shrimp is generously coated in that incredible garlic lime butter. Time for seasoning. A pinch of coarse sea salt, followed by a little bit of heat. I'm using crushed hot paprika, which in Greece we call bukova. It adds a gentle, smoky warmth. Of course, you can use any red pepper flakes you like. And finally, some freshly ground black pepper for that classic savory note. Let's give it one final stir to distribute all those wonderful spices. For a final touch of salty, nutty flavor and a beautiful crust, I'm sprinkling over some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now it's ready for the air fryer. We'll cook this at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for just 6 minutes. The air fryer is fantastic for cooking shrimp quickly, keeping them incredibly juicy. If you're using a conventional oven, you can cook them at 200 Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just watch for them to turn pink and opaque. While the shrimp are cooking, let's prepare our fresh cilantro. We'll just chop off the thicker stems and give the leaves a fine chop. Usually for this dish, I would use fresh parsley for a classic Mediterranean flavor. But I don't have any today, so we're gonna do a little experiment and use fresh cilantro. This will give our dish an unexpected, bright, citrusy note and turn it into something completely new and exciting. Let's see how it turns out. Besides its amazing taste, cilantro is also packed with health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants and has been shown to have properties that can help detoxify the body. It's flavor with a purpose. By the way, I know cilantro has a very unique flavor. Are you on team love cilantro or team tastes like soap? Let me know in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious. Our shrimp are perfectly cooked. Look at that beautiful color. Imagine the most flavorful, juicy shrimp swimming in a rich garlic butter sauce with a bright, citrusy kick. I'm transferring them to a serving plate. And now for the most important step. We add all of our fresh cilantro right at the end. The residual heat from the shrimp will gently wilt the cilantro, releasing its incredible aroma without actually cooking it. This keeps the flavor bright and fresh. A gentle toss to combine, and I'll add a few lime wedges on the side for squeezing over just before eating. And here it is, our cilantro lime garlic butter shrimp. It smells absolutely divine. The perfect, healthy, low-carb meal that feels incredibly indulgent. Just look at how juicy and tender that is, cooked to perfection. Let me add a little squeeze of fresh lime juice. That is an absolute burst of flavor. The rich garlic butter, the bright lime, and that fresh kick from the cilantro. It's just amazing. You have to try this. If you enjoyed this recipe, I know you'll also love one of my personal favorites, Greek shrimp saganaki. It's an incredible dish with a rich tomato and feta sauce. The video is right here on the screen for you. As always, subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for cooking with me.